Boost brand loyalty, giveaways and merchandise mastery. We are living in a world where a company's giveaway and merchandise campaigns are the key players in their marketing playbook. This isn't a far-off dream, but a proven reality that leading brands are already using. In this blog, we'll get into the nuances of using promotional items as more than just freebies, their customer engagement and conversion tools, moving your brand to the top of the search engine and customer loyalty charts, and shaping the perception of your brand across all the platforms you have your presence on. With the right approach, each item you give away can become the first step in ensuring customer loyalty. How do giveaways and merchandise work? Remember those childhood days when a free lollipop sweetened the doctor's visit, or a keychain made even the blandest backpack feel special? That's the joy of getting small things as a gift. They tap users' our inborn love for free stuff and exclusivity. But looking at the broader aspect, it's no longer a child's playground. This is a great marketing strategy with various psychological aspects. 1. Reciprocity. Humans have a natural urge to repay favours. Offering sweet little gifts creates a feeling of indebtedness, which your customers subconsciously try to repay by engaging with your brand, be it by subscribing, following, or ultimately converting. 2. Creator scarcity. Limited edition merch or exclusive giveaways trigger the fear of missing out, FOMO, encouraging immediate action. Suddenly, that boring bolt washer kit becomes a must-have collector's item when it's part of your limited edition giveaway. 3. Social proof. Seeing others sporting your branded t-shirt or winning your items creates a sense of legitimacy and desirability. It is like creating a virtual stamp of approval in the minds of your customers, whispering, "This brand is cool, join the club." 4. Brand association. Giveaways and merchandise become solid extensions of your brand identity as this creates brand awareness. Every time someone uses your mug or wears your hat, they're subconsciously promoting your company, building brand awareness and recognition. This also promotes the idea of word-of-mouth marketing as they say to their acquaintances, "Look, this company are giving these cool merch. Check them out." 5. Customer loyalty. Giveaways and exclusive merch create a sense of belonging and appreciation, turning customers into your brand advocates. They feel valued, heard, and part of something special, which in return solidifies the customer's loyalty and increases repeat purchases. But wait, do you think that is all? This conversion isn't only about customer psychology, it also packs a data-driven strategy. Boosting your SEO. Incorporating relevant keywords into giveaway titles and descriptions attracts organic search traffic, putting your brand in front of potential customers, and searching related products on various search engines like Google or Bing. Social media engagement. Giveaways and contests naturally create a buzz on various social platforms, expanding your reach and building a community around your brand. Email list growth. Offering exclusive access to giveaways or early discounts for email subscribers is a great way to fatten your email list with quality leads. Website traffic surge. Giveaways can be strategically tied to landing pages or product pages, driving targeted traffic and boosting conversion rates, making conversion cracking giveaways and merch. So now that we understand how the theoretical groundwork is laid, let's get down to the bits of giveaways and merch that turn prospects into paying customers. 1. Plan irresistible giveaways. Know your audience. What makes your target customers notice you? Customize your prize to their desires and interests. A custom toolbox might work greatly for DIY enthusiasts, while a weekend getaway could be like music to the ears of professionals who love to travel. Data-driven targeting. Use analytics tools to identify relevant keywords and search trends. Incorporate these into your giveaway title and description to attract the right kind of audience. Add exclusivity. Limited edition prizes or early access opportunities create a sense of urgency for them, which in return boosts their participation and conversions. Easy entry. Keep the entry process simple and quick. Nobody wants to fill out a 10-page questionnaire for a free keychain. A simple social media share or email subscription could be enough. Effective call to action. Clearly state what you want participants to do after entering. Visit your website, follow you on social media, or sign up for your newsletter. Guide them towards the conversion funnel. 2. Choosing the perfect merch. Brand alignment. Your merch should be an extension of your brand identity. The design, colours and messaging should all reflect your core values and personality. For example, If Unilever is doing some giveaway campaign or giving you a tea, for example, they either would have their logo, their campaign name, or their slogan written on it, all bearing their brand colours. Functionality. Make sure your merch is practical and useful. A coffee mug or a comfortable t-shirt is more likely to be used and seen, maximising brand exposure. Quality counts. It is never advisable to skimp on your giveaway materials. Rather invest in high quality merch that won't fall apart after the first use. Your customers deserve the best, and their positive experience will translate into brand loyalty. 3. Launching campaigns that send conversions. Soaring. Pick the right platform. Choose the platform where your target audience spends their time. Facebook groups, industry forums, or targeted social media ads running all over Meta or Google can be ideal channels for giveaways. Collaborate for amplification. Partner with other businesses in your niche or complementary industries to cross-promote your giveaway and reach a wider audience. This will result in maximising your reach in both their and your platform. Pre-launch. Build anticipation by teasing your giveaway beforehand. For example, you may share some bits about the prize, offer hints about the entry rules, and generate some excitement before the official launch. Post-campaign, do not just disappear after the giveaway ends. Engage with participants, thank them for joining, and offer them exclusive post-campaign discounts or early access to new products. How to make your giveaway campaign successful. There are various ways which need to be kept in mind while making a strategy on how to make these kinds of campaigns successful. We often see how big brands too face backlash or see their campaign falling apart, sometimes too short-sighted to look through what went wrong exactly. For this one, various aspects would help to design your giveaway campaigns. Make a mix of online and offline marketing. Make sure your online content matches your products or enhances the physical unboxing experience using digital platforms. Here, you need to aim for a brand story that connects smoothly between the online and offline platforms. Analytics and feedback. It's important to track the effectiveness of your merchandise campaigns. Track your engagement rates, gather customer feedback through surveys, or analyse your social media interactions related to your merchandise. Send sustainable brand merchandise. There's a growing emphasis on sustainability in promotional products. Companies are moving away from low-quality, high-waste items and focusing on reusable and recyclable merchandise. Materials like bamboo are becoming popular for a variety of sustainable promotional items, such as pens, notebooks, and lunchboxes. This trend aligns with the increasing consumer preference for eco-friendly products and would help your business in projecting a responsible brand image. Innovation and technology in giveaways. Promotional products are increasingly incorporating technology and innovation. Items like smart protection RFID card holders, UV sanitizers, portable lights, wireless charging pads, and Bluetooth speakers are becoming popular. These gadgets are not only practically usable, but make customers think that you genuinely value them, making them more appealing and useful for the recipients. Merchandise concerning employee well-being. Nowadays, the focus has mostly shifted to employee well-being when giving away promotional merchandise. Companies are creating and distributing care packages that include items like calming teas, aromatherapy candles, and bath bombs that make people feel good. These packages have one goal: to support mental health and well-being, which is relevant considering the commonality of mental health issues in the workforce. Such thoughtful merchandise can help lift morale and increase your employee retention rate, attracting more new talents towards your company. Frequently asked questions. Conclusion. As a manufacturing business that is not always directly working for the general masses, the entire branding strategy needs to have a very new and well-planned touch to it, with a clear budget allocation. First, understand the target of your business and the kind of people you want to reach. Then we can help you with the other bits, like how you may make strategies on the same, what you need to do, what's the roadmap, and what kind of approach you need to have for your giveaway campaigns. Your giveaways can be for any entity really, for your employees, for customers, for partner businesses, for competitors, for guests coming to visit you at times. A lot of things need to be kept in mind. To understand how the entire thing works, let us guide you. We will provide you with a detailed analysis and management service of how to circulate, where to circulate, and how to shout from your rooftops about this entire campaign, and when. As a leading B2B marketing agency for manufacturing businesses, we know how this is going to benefit you in the long run. Let's catch up sometime. and discuss how your business can grow more with the giveaway campaigns.